Hi everybody, what I'm going to demonstrate now is how to apply tone or getting different tones out of the same coloured pencil. Now this is an orange pencil, that's the colour, the colour's orange. If I want to get different tones, I'm basically going to add white or black to lighten or to darken the tone. Now it's easy to lighten tone on white paper because the white's there in the paper. If we want to darken the tone, we would get some black on there, or just press on a little bit harder and we'd get a darker tone of orange. So what I want you to have a go at is, or what we're going to look at is just gently pressing down on the page, trying to get a different coloured tone in each box. Okay, so there's 6 boxes, so that's going to be six different tones of orange. Now the more proficient you get at this, the better you get at it. You know, you could get 10 or a dozen tones out the same coloured pencil. So I'm just going to colour in a few of these boxes. At the left hand side I'm going to start with a lighter tone, or a pretty light tone, and gradually get darker as I move from left to right. Now also I'm going to try and control my pencil by making sure that I don't go outside this bottom and this top line, and over these ends also. So all I'm doing is, to start with, is I'm just adding a light tone to those first 3. I'm not going to demonstrate adding tone to all of them. I'm just going to go the other way just to get that end nice and crisp. I'm applying very, very little pressure. You'll hold the pencil in a comfortable manner for you, and you can clearly see there where they're all very similar. Now I'm happy with that first box, okay, with a nice light tone of orange. It's not streaky, it's not outside, that's fine. So what I'm going to do now is go over these next 2 boxes. I'm not going to go over that line, look, with a slightly darker tone of my orange. So you can clearly see, or I hope you can see anyway, that this second box is getting darker again. Now when you come to communicate information or a design concept or something of that nature, yes, you're not going to be asked to actually add tone to square boxes, but all this is doing, this is allowing you to practice putting down on the page different tones of the same colour. Okay, so that second box now, again, I'm not going outside. That second box is darker than the first one. It's considerably darker, in fact. So now I'm going to go to my 3rd box, and I'm going to try to make that darker again, or darker than the second box. So again, I'm just applying a little bit more pressure. I'm controlling my pencil so that I don't go to the left-hand box or outside this bottom or this top line. I'm just trying to make my tone of box number 3 darker than the tone of box number 2, and darker again than box number 1. I'm just going to shade the other way, and remember what I've said before about, you know, the quality of pencil that you purchase. If it's got a soft lead, so maybe if it's Faber-Castell or Caran d'Ache or Stapler or something like that, you'll find this exercise far easier. And also you can actually erase, so that box there is a bit darker again. So I'd now go into the fourth box and so on and so forth till I get to the end where this end box here would be noticeably darker than that one, and that one, that one, that one, and that one. So that's a simple exercise using and practicing pencil control and getting different tones from the same colour. Thanks very much.